friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making s'mores in the microwave. So all we need is 3 ingredients: marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate. And also we need a plate that's microwave safe. So I'm going to assemble the s'mores. So I'm going to break a graham cracker in half. And here's another one. So we'll have 4 s'mores. And I'm going to add chocolate. So now each graham cracker will have a piece of chocolate on top. And finally, I'm going to add marshmallow. And also, I'm going to set more graham crackers for topping. So I'm just gonna set them aside. So when these are melted, I will top it with more graham cracker. So these 4 pieces I will set aside. So now, these are ready to be microwaved. Let's take it to the microwave. And I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds. So now it's done microwaving, so let's check on them. So see, the marshmallows are puffy, and see the chocolate is melted, so when I touch it, it's warm, but it's not melted as much as I'd like, and it really depends on the microwave. So I'm going to put them back, and I will add them for 30 more seconds. If yours are ready or almost ready, so if they're ready, take them out. If they're almost ready, you can add 20 seconds. I'm going to add 30 more seconds, and let's wait and see. And now it's done. Let's take a look. So now they're ready. So in my microwave, it was 1 minute total. Look at this puffy big marshmallows and melted chocolate. And now let's top them with more cracker. Look at that, chocolate melted, marshmallow big and puffy. So good and so easy. Perfect. This is the easiest way to make s'mores. I'm so excited about trying these s'mores. Let's try it. This is amazing. So easy to make and so delicious. You're gonna love making s'mores in a microwave. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!